Okay, our next lesson is going to be 2-5 solving inequalities containing integers, which is found on textbook page 78. Just a quick review, we learned about inequalities, solutions to the inequalities, and solution sets, and a couple different things that we need to remember whenever we are solving inequalities. First thing we need to remember is we use an open circle whenever we have a symbol which is less than or greater than. Whenever there is no equal to sign there, it's an open circle. Our solution goes in the middle. We have a value to the right and a value to the left. So one value is less than it, one value is greater than, an open circle, and an arrow to the left. A closed circle whenever we have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Closed circle, solution in the middle, a value less than, a value greater than, arrow to the right. Well, this is a helpful hint that we talked about in our notes, that if you look at the tail of that arrow or the point of the inequality sign, it will tell you the direction in which to put the arrow. Our variable must be in the left side to help us with the direction of the arrow. That is super, super, super important. Make sure you please remember that. All right, on our next page, we talked about multiplying or dividing by a negative number. This rule is only for when we multiply or divide by a negative number, not when we multiply or divide by a positive number, only negative. We did our 2 examples here in class. We talked about our rules to graph the inequality. Make sure you remember all of these rules. These will help you with the quiz and with your homework. Okay, we also made flip-flops, which mine's a little bit out of order compared to your notebook, but that's okay. We have order matters. Whenever we have a variable, we have our inequality symbol and our constant. The variable has to be on the left. So once we flip-flop the sides of the variable, we have to flip-flop the sides of the inequality. For instance, if we had 12 is greater than x, we would need to flip-flop the inequality to make it x is less than 12. These 2 meanings say the same exact thing. All right, we're ready. I'm going to start to do some examples in the next clip.